Constant cleaning and protection of your car's paint can be tedious and time-consuming, but with the help of Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine, it doesn't need to be. Super hydrophobic formula combines a synthetic sealant with premium carnauba wax, creating an extreme slickness on the surface of your paint to repel water and dirt, deepen your shine, and protect for months at a time. To apply Ice Seal and Shine, start with a freshly washed vehicle in a cool area, out of direct sunlight. Shake the spray bottle well and start application by lightly misting the highly concentrated formula on one panel at a time. Then, firmly spread and wipe away with a clean microfiber towel. Simply continue this process until all painted panels of your vehicle are covered. Turtle Wax Ice Line's original formulas and state-of-the-art hybrid innovations offer solutions for all premium car care needs. Designed to set the standard for residue-less wax and high shine, it continues to evolve to raise the bar even higher in the car care industry.